Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Zetu. Today I would like us to talk about types of diabetes mellitus, the signs and symptoms, the complication and management of diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is a medical condition that is characterized by high blood glucose. Types of diabetes mellitus are type 1. In type 1 diabetes mellitus, there is no insulin that is formed by the pancreas. This type of diabetes is more common in childhood and in adolescence, although it can happen at times in adulthood. And this other type is type 2. In type 2 diabetes, the insulin is formed but is not used effectively. As a result of that, the blood glucose is not moved from the blood into the cells, and somebody results with diabetes. We've got gestational diabetes. This type of diabetes happens when somebody is pregnant. It is very important to be monitored because diabetes can also affect the newborn baby. The other type is pre-diabetic. Pre-diabetic is the condition where the blood sugar is high, but is not as high that somebody can be classified as if is having type 2 diabetes. But it needs to be monitored because if the pre-diabetic is not monitored, it will definitely be changed to type 2 diabetes. What are the signs and symptoms of diabetes mellitus? One, it will be excessive or increased urination. You'll find that somebody is in the bathroom all the time, which is like unusual to that person. Another symptoms is the increased thirst. Because someone is having this increased urination, therefore he gets dehydrated, and as a result he'll be taking a lot of fluid trying to replace the fluid that is losing. Another symptoms is unexpected or unintentional weight loss. All of a sudden, the person will realize that he's losing weight, and you'll find that he becomes hungry and he will eat, but even whenever he's getting hungry and eating, but he's losing weight unplanned or unintentionally. That is a symptom, it's a warning symptom of diabetes. Fatigue is another symptom. We'll find that somebody has got this fatigue, and this can be due that somebody is not even sleeping well, because even in the middle of the night he has to wake up and go to the bathroom because he has to empty bladder. As a result, you'll find that somebody is tired because he's not having enough energy. Another symptoms, it will be blurred vision. You'll find that somebody will be complaining of blurred vision. Another symptoms, will find that somebody is getting prone into infections. The reason, because somebody the system is immunocompromised. And the common infection like UTI every now and then, and somebody will be suffering on those infection. And another problem, you'll find that the skin, there will be a change on the skin. And the skin may become dry and it may become itchy. Another symptoms, it can be a tingling sensation on the hands and as well as on the feet. That is another symptoms that may be not saying that there is something wrong with your blood sugar. Complications of diabetes. If diabetes is not controlled, it may lead into so many complications. The common complication is cardiovascular disease. You'll find that somebody may end up having a stroke, or somebody may end up having heart attack due to uncontrolled diabetes. Kidney damage. Due to high blood sugar, the kidneys can be affected. In fact, diabetes is one of the leading causes of kidney problems. Eye problem. You may find that somebody is developing some problems with the eyes if it's uncontrolled, if the diabetes is uncontrolled, the problem like glaucoma, the problem like cataract. And if that diabetes is still uncontrolled, it may end up into blindness. Therefore, it is very important to control diabetes. Nerve damage. Diabetes also affects the nerves, and that condition we call it, that problem we call it neuropathy. And those are the problems, and you'll find that somebody is affected, the digits are affected, and if it's not controlled, it may affect the limbs, which is one of the major complications. There is quite a few of the problems that can be caused by uncontrolled diabetes. The message here, once you are diagnosed with diabetes mellitus, it is so important to know about the condition and to work with your doctor so that you will avoid all the complications that can be caused by uncontrolled diabetes. What is the management of diabetes? Once you are diagnosed with diabetes, you need to continue with your follow-up with your doctor. Doctor will have a plan for you. Doctor will work with the other teams. Your doctor may refer you to the dietitian so that maybe they will help you to plan what to eat and what to avoid. Another problem, another management, it can be insulin. And the insulin is more common, especially on type 1 diabetic. Although even on type 2 diabetes, insulin can be given even if the oral medication is not doing well. Another thing that is important with diabetes is the change of lifestyle or lifestyle adjustment. Lifestyle adjustment, you have to know what to do and how to do it. If we have been smoking, it is important to quit smoking. You need to reduce alcohol. You need to exercise to improve circulation. There's quite a few things that the doctor will plan and will help you and tell you what to do. And it is also a responsibility of that person who's having this diabetic problem to work with the team, with all the people that are involved in diabetic management, so that he knows exactly what to do. Diabetes is a condition just like any other condition. Once you work with the team, once you know the condition, you know all the things that can happen if you are not controlling your sugar, it is easy to control your sugar with the help. There's quite a lot of people that are involved in this diabetic. We've got diabetic centers where people can be referred and where they can be educated about their condition. It is not a problem. It is a condition just like any other condition. But once you are diagnosed with diabetes, you must know that it's a thing that you can control and you can still live a normal, healthy life. For today, we will end up here. If you do like these videos, please subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for support. Till next time, stay safe and stay